Outside of navigation, there are a couple of ways to personalize your device, such as personalizing your display settings and themes. Doing so can enhance your Windows 11 experience. So to get to display settings and themes, you can simply right-click on the desktop and then find Display Settings. From here, you can have the option to adjust the brightness of your screen, and you can even have the option to adjust your night light to reduce eye strain. By scrolling down, you could also find options to adjust multiple displays if you have multiple monitors, and to adjust the resolution and scale. To personalize your themes, you can simply select Personalization in the menu on the left, or you can right-click the desktop and select Personalize. This will pull you another menu for Theme Display. At the top, you'll have multiple options for sampled themes. For instance, Windows Light is the default. By choosing a different option, it'll change the color scheme of my device. Now you can see that my background has changed and all my buttons have a different color scheme. I can further enhance my personalization by selecting a specific background, by uploading an image. I can adjust the colors of the accents in the Windows loading screens, as well as selecting contrasting themes. Also note that if you're adjusting your colors, you can toggle between two different modes, dark mode as well as light mode. Other options can include adjusting your text inputs and adjusting your taskbar. Although it may not be the most practical, being able to personalize your device can enhance your experience and make it a little bit more enjoyable.